Master Blends, right?
Yeah, this Master Blends.
He got his own YouTube channel.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making that smoked rabbit. Ha! Stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get to this rabbit. So this is a 2.5 pound rabbit. It was brined overnight. I brined it around 8 p.m. It's 1 o'clock now. So we got about 16, 17 hours. So the ingredients for my brine is gonna be in the description. It's pretty much the same seasonings that I use, but I got salt, pepper, and some bay leaves in there. So let's go ahead, put a binder on this. We're gonna be using this W sauce as a binder. If you want to, you can use olive oil, you can use melted butter, whichever choice you feel like using. So we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of this on the top. Go ahead and rub it in. All right, so we're only gonna be putting 2 seasonings on this rabbit. We're gonna be using this MVP from AC Barbecue. Feel free to use Tony Chachere's or use your favorite BBQ Rub, whichever one you want to use. So we're gonna start off with that. Then we're gonna come back with it with this fire and smoke, the usual all-purpose blend. I really love this stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on there too. So let's go ahead and get this thing covered up. All right, this is what it looks like after you get it covered up. Check them seasonings out. Check that out. You see the black pepper flakes in there. It really stands out. What we're gonna do, we're gonna let this rest for about 30 minutes with this seasoning on here while we get our smoker up to temp. We're gonna be smoking at 275 degrees. So we're just gonna let this chill out, let these seasonings soak into this rabbit. I got my wireless meat probe in there, so everything should be a breeze. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, I'm gonna be using the Pit Boss All Natural Barbecue Hardwood Pellets. This is the competition blend. This is probably my favorite blend of pellets. Man, this thing go with everything. So this is what we're gonna be using today. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. It's time to go ahead and put that rabbit on the smoker. Just gonna place it right here in the middle. Drop it down. We're looking for 163, 165 degrees. Catch you in a minute. All right, it's been about an hour and 15 minutes. We sitting at around 130 degrees. I'm just gonna put a little Worcestershire sauce on there. Just dab it up a little bit. Just like so. And we're gonna finish cooking this rabbit. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, my timer went out. We sitting at 165 degrees. It's time to take this rabbit out. You know what time it is. Catch you in a second. All right, y'all, and there you have it. Got that smoked rabbit. Take a look at that right there. Look at all them seasonings. Come on, somebody. Look at that. telling you, it don't get no better than this. I got that fire and smoke, that usual, that W sauce, that AC barbecue, that MVP. Hey, it don't get no better than this. Hey, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Hey, it's time to eat.